Welcome to the Artificial Professor. In this video, we are diving into the holiday spirit and getting ready for Christmas. I will show you a simple and thoughtful way to prepare for the festive season by creating and sharing an Amazon wish list. Visit the Amazon website and log into your Amazon account if you have one. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, find your name in the top right corner and click on Hello. From there, select Create a List. This is where you will begin creating your Amazon wish list. Click Create a List. Give your new wish list a name. This name should reflect what kind of gifts you did like to receive. For example, you could name it Christmas 2023. Then, click on Create List. Once you have done that, your wish list will be created. Now, click on More and then select Manage List. This is where you can make adjustments to your list and its settings. To make your list visible to others, you will need to change the list settings to Public. If you want to add your shipping address, you can do that here. You can also provide a brief description of what you are looking for in your list. After making your desired changes, click on Save Changes. Now it's time to search for items you'd like to add to your list. For example, you can search for Christmas sweater on Amazon. You can see many items, and you can select any one you like. Let's choose this one. Once you find a sweater you like, look on the right side for the Add to List option and select your wish list to add the item. To see the items you've added, click on View Your List. And you can see the item has been added to your wish list. You can continue adding more items by repeating the process. For instance, you can search for Christmas hat and add one to your list. Now, your wish list is ready. To share your wish list with others, click Send List to Others. You can decide whether you want others to only view your list without the ability to edit it. Copy the link provided, and you can share it with friends and family and they can view your wish list and purchase items for you. And that's it. Creating and sharing an Amazon wish list is a great way to make your Christmas shopping easier and make sure you get the gifts you really want. Don't forget to subscribe to the Artificial Professor for more holiday season tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video of the Artificial Professor.